Yes.
Lordship, I have circulated a short compilation of the law. The query that fell from the Honorable Court at 11 AM is conveyed to me. I will address it right away.
Yes. That document is also of like no date is mentioned.
Yes.
So that the
I
document
must be
is-
fair to the court. Please have the compilation I have given today morning.
Yes.
It is a 12-page setup.
Yes.
I will just recap in 10 seconds. The spiral that the Honorable Court has one unit for each block, so 17 units,
Yes.
and
But-
it contains the 2021 and
Mr.
2019.
Wilk, Mr. Wilk or what?
Lordship,
I'm not correct while I'm choosing. It's Mr. Wilk.
Lordship,
Mr. Wilk, just all these documents were not required by the court.
no, I bow down.
Yes. So why did you produce
No,
this? They are all
we
subsequent to
wanted
the.
no,
Yes.
no. That's the issue. They are not subsequent. I'll show why. Please have this thing I have given to you.
Yes.
That will
The
possibly
first
address.
document does not carry any date.
That's the thing. I must fairly concede. Please have running page 2 of this document.
Page 2.
This is a Sammati Patrak.
Yes.
This is a Sammati Patrak taken by the agency at page 132.
By the
Dhaval.
agency would be what?
That agency is engaged by me. That's what I wanted to submit. That agency was the agency that was engaged by me to conduct that homework. This was never an issue in the writ petition nor in the rejoinder, and I'll show the rejoinder because that will show that what I am saying is true. The concern of the Honorable Court is where Mr. Virk is the 2019 Sammati Patrak.
Yes.
This is the 2019
No,
Sammati Patrak.
why this court is asking you? For the reason that please come to your affidavit.
Lordship, page 82, if I'm not mistaken. Para 7.12.
Yes, 7.1.
7.1. I'll read.
Yes.
And I'll take the Honorable Court to
Yes.
even the reply of the petitioner on this.
Yes.
Sir, 7.12 is a response to para 3.5 of the petition at page 12. Honorable Court may not turn to 12, but it simply says that the whole process of redevelopment has been done surreptitiously in undue haste and without following due procedure. To which I reply at 7.12. As submitted herein above, the Estate Department of
No,
AMC
this is not
carried
your
out.
denial to the content amendments made in the petition.
I'm sorry,
This para 7.12
Lord.
is not the
No,
denial.
I bow down. I bow down.
Yes.
This is a submission to the Honorable Court.
You have set out the procedure which was followed by the corporation before awarding the work or before carrying out the redevelopment.
I bow.
process.
I bow.
Yes.
I bow. So here at 7.12, the line which is most important is
Yes.
this exercise was concluded in or around December 2019.
Yes.
Please oblige me by coming to page number 363 of the petition.
360.
Running 363, which is my learned friend for the petitioner's rejoinder to my reply. 362, bottom of the page. May please be seen.
Yes.
My friend replies at para 3.13 to para 7.11.
Yes.
Please, the page overleaf 363. My friend replies then to 7.13 to 18. 7.12, the paragraph that I just read out,
Yes.
is not even dealt with or denied. And now, in this background, please see the compilation I have given today morning.
Yes.
With, in all fairness, I could have put in a date, but unfortunately, when in December 2019, the initial Sammati Patraks were
Yes.
taken, none of the 405 Sammati Patraks carry any date. I have all 405 Sammati Patraks in original in the court.
Yes.
And please compare that.
Have you monetized this whole process that you have taken the consent of?
Sir, I have the covering letter of the
Yes.
agency.
Yes.
I have the original file.
Yes.
And I will show why what I am saying is accurate and correct.
Yes.
While having the Sammati Patrak at page 1 of this,
The court would only like to know that what was the procedure which was followed by the corporation before going for the redevelopment.
in seriatim, this was the
seriatim or maybe sequentially.
3 things were done by the corporation.
Yes.
2019, these Sammati Patraks are taken. I engaged Dhaval Consultant as my agency to do
Yes.
this exercise.
Yes. That is not there in your affidavit.
No, it is there at page 132. One of the letters is there.
No, but just let us see your.
In the pleadings, it is not there
It is
because
not.
I have produced page 132. Page
Page
132 is produced. Now, once, please see 132 na bidar sahit 133 onwards,
133 onwards.
which is the list.
Yes.
First exercise that I need to do is to understand who stays where and determine the identity of each unit holder. I do that at page 133 onwards under cover of letter at 132 through my designated agency, Dhaval Engineers. After that,
Yes.
the short document that I have given, the 12-page compilation.
Yes.
I have all 405 originals with me here.
Yes.
A Sammati Patrak is taken. In all fairness, it does not carry a date. But please oblige me by coming from page 3 onwards. Along with the Sammati Patrak, I take the Vechan Karar of each party to identify ownership.
Yes.
I not only do that, I take the other identity documents. For example, 9 of my compilation given today morning is very important.
Yes.
I take the power bill in the name of the applicant and the bank passbooks, because at the end of the day, I will have to ensure that payment is received to these applicants.
Yes.
And finally, once the respondent number 3 developer comes into the array of parties, because he is the successful bidder, he conducts his own independent exercise, which was that FAT compilation which I had given.
2021.
Yes. Now, in that FAT compilation, I had given both. Please have only one document of that spiral. I had given the 2021 Sammati Patras, and I had given along with that for each of those 17 illustrative parties, the
Yes.
2019 Sammati Patra also. It is on the,
Yes.
only 2 pages will be seen and it will be clear.
Which
Side, flag 1 may be taken because that is the most convenient.
Yes.
And I'll take your lordships page wise on flag 1.
Yes.
First is Makan na Kabjani Pavti. This is the developer Neela Infrastructure's homework in 2021. Next page is the Sogannam, running page 2 and 3. This is all done in 2021. I'll highlight to the court immediately where the document of 2019 comes. Then if we flip through, we see the identity documents, the Aadhaar card behind the Sogannam. Behind the Aadhaar card, we see the Samjuti Karar. Behind the Samjuti Karar, we see the Aadhaar card afresh. We see the check given to the party. We see the photographs with the Odak Patra. And then finally, your lordships will have 2 Sammati Patras. This is what I was endeavoring to assist the Honorable Court with yesterday. There are 2 Sammati Patras on.
No, but Mr. Vic, the other day the court was asking you what are the documents which were along with this.
Lordships which
These
were
are
along.
Not the documents which.
I
were
bowed
along
out. It
with
was
this.
this.
It was
Only
then you
this.
should have placed it on record.
It
only
was
a
only
specimen
this.
copy of this document.
I had
The
submitted
whole
that
bunch.
also. I am sorry. I apologize for overstepping. Only quay one thing. This spiral contained not just 2021, but also 2019. The very next page, just behind the photographs of these applicants, on 2 adjacent pages, the Honorable Court will find Sammati Patra, Sammati Patra. On the left side,
Yes.
on the left side, the Sammati Patra is the one taken by the developer in 2021.
This one.
No, that is the 2019, sir. Yes, yes,
This one.
yes. And on the immediately right side
Yes.
is what I have given in this compilation given today morning also.
But
Is
there
the
does not
Sammati
be any
Patra?
date in this.
There is no date. Therefore, I can only assist your lordships.
Yes.
With great respect, I cannot put a date where none exists. But in all fairness, these are taken in 2019, and that becomes evident because these are not taken in isolation. 405 people give this with their identity documents.
Yes.
Not one of those 405 people are before your lordships, and which is why I read para 3.13 of my friend's petition. The
Yes.
contention in the petition originally, without producing the 2016 policy on record, was all this is done in haste and surreptitiously. From December 2019 till July 2021, there has been a Sammati Patra in 2019. There has been an exercise of giving payments.
Yes.
And I can force somebody and hand over a check. I cannot force that gentleman to deposit that check in his bank account.
Yes.
Then there is the 2021 Sammati Patra, Odak Patra, photography and videography of the whole exercise. And in all this exercise, they suddenly come when the buildings are finally demolished. Therefore, in my respectful prayer, I had shown in that spiral also the 2019 document. Unfortunately, it's undated. I ought to have only shown this and nothing else.
Yes.
But this is my submission. I have all 405 originals available
Yes.
for a random inspection of any unit that the Honorable Court may so desire, with the only intention of satisfying the Honorable Court's concern that was this exercise done in a bona fide manner. That is my respectful prayer.
So at the time of the survey which was undertaken by Dhaval engineer,
Lordship.
engineering or engineers,
Ladies.
the Sammati Patrak was obtained,
Yes.
right? Then this Vechan Karar, the copy of the
Yeah.
Vechan Karar, there
All identity
See,
documents. There will be the Aadhaar card, the
Yes.
photograph of the passbook, the electricity bill, in some cases the property tax payments.
electricity.
So what the parties are called upon to do is show that they live here.
Yes.
And that is what Dhaval Engineering did.
Do they monetize or like this
Lordship,
whole exercise has been
With immense
monetized or-
respect, once I give them a work order,
Yes.
they undertake this exercise, and unfortunately, I must be very fair to the court. My client's department, where this exercise may not be a good bookkeeper, but they have done everything in the most bona fide manner. A work order is given to a responsible agency.
Nice.
These are reputed empaneled engineers,
Yes.
and please appreciate that more than 400 people are to be taken hand in hand. Please also appreciate that after the petition was filed, one of the 44 petitioners has changed sides. He has moved, petitioner number 42 has moved to
Yes.
the yes on redevelopment.
Yes.
Quay him, I will not have a 2019 Sammati Patra, because at that time he had not given me a Sammati.
Yes.
But quay the 405 parties who had participated, this was there. I therefore have the original file to show to the Honorable Court the noting and the correspondence side in this regard. But I must be fair that there is no date, but please take this against me.
So this work order is not there on the record.
Only the work
24th of September.
Yes.
May 2020.
Because that was never the subject matter in the petition, in as much as the contentions of the petition as read barely were concerned. I only want one submission. I want to make one submission. Say there was a date in this undated Sammati Patra.
Yes.
Would it have improved my case in my respectful submission? No, I would have been situated as I am right now. And say there is no date. Would
But
it
that would have substantiated your contention that the procedure has been
not?
followed in
But
a
with
transparent.
great respect,
Yes.
the
Leaving no doubt for the other side to.
the fact that
Yes.
406 people are not before your lordships, in my respectful submission, is substantiation enough that everything is done in a bona
Government
fide.
authorities, they always, whatever work they carry out or whatever exercise they undertake, it has to be documented.
Lordship, it is documented in
If
my
it is not
respectful
documented,
prayer.
then there are- the
In
petitioner
my
has all
respectful-
the right to raise a contention
I
that
bow
the
down.
procedure has not been followed
Had
in a transparent manner.
had there been a position where there was no Sammati Patra, and this is not a one-page cyclo-style Sammati Patra as is.
Yes.
This is Sammati Patra with about 12 to 20 pages worth of supporting documents. I can force somebody to give me a Sammati Patra.
Yes.
I cannot force him to give me a photocopy of his bank book.
Yes. That's true. And what this is with respect to
This is with respect to this very exercise.
How do we know that it is with respect to?
Please see
There is
the
an
details
provided
and
for
the
this-
allotted area. I'll read the details.
Yes.
Providing consultancy services for implementation of redevelopment of public housing scheme
No,
2016.
it's there on the right hand side,
Yes,
allotted location.
old and new municipal slum quarters,
34.
Navnirman.
34,
Yes,
TP 34.
TP 34,
Some of the
FP
documents you
25.
have placed on record, they pertain to this 20 also, right?
I'm sorry.
Some of the documents, they are
Yes,
not with respect to 34, but are with respect to.
no,
This
those
one.
are not in my affidavit. My
Yes, they are
learned
with
friend,
yes.
who was represented by Mr. Joshi,
Yes,
and the learned senior had submitted in that regard that they were submitted at the reply stage, possibly because they had cast their bids for both, but only succeeded for one. The respondent number 3, Neela Infrastructure, had cast its bid for redevelopment of old and new quarters both.
yes,
It succeeded for the old quarters, which is the subject matter of your lordship's petition.
Yes, but not.
But not the new. Somebody else did. But some of the photos, not all, some.
Yes. And what is this document, page 340?
340. Lordship, this is a document that is annexed to my learned friend, Mr. Kansara's reply, which contains લાભાર્થીઓની વિગતો છે, સાહેબ.
This is otherwise the details of all those people who have handed over the possessions, collected the transit allowance check, and your lordship may kindly see the document in terms of the light bill, etc. is also provided.
Yes.
This is that list.
So check આપ્યા તારીખ, possession આપ્યા તારીખ and light.
Yes, yes.
Lordship, I only want to make one
If your lordship may kindly see, it runs up, I'm sorry, it runs up to page 350.
300. Yes.
The submission is this.
382. or
The entire list runs up to page 350. From
350.
340 to 350, the entire list is there.
Yes.
Final submission. The policy threshold is 60%. In my respectful prayer, while acknowledging that
Yes,
the
that
date
you have
is
already
blank.
made the submission that there
Had-
were the consent of more
No,
than 60%.
the only short nuance I wanted to highlight was, say the matter before the honorable court was a case where the people agreeing to redevelopment was 60, 61, 62%.
Yes.
The situation may have had to be viewed with a different narrative. But where 92% consent and have moved out, in my respectful prayer, I have satisfied the honorable court that I have done my homework for 2 years. That's
May I say on this document? This is
Why?
provided today.
Why?
Because I'm grateful to my learned friend that he's accepted that
Yes.
this document of Sammati Patra is of 2009.
Yes.
Madam, may I kindly have the compilation,
This compilation.
the spiral.
This one.
Spiral.
Fine. Yes.
And my lord were kind enough to say that even one person comes for a lordship and says the process is not followed,
Yes.
then it would be a case to be made out. Madam, may I kindly have page number 143 in this.
143.
143.
Yes.
It would be difficult for them to make out a case that it is of 2019, but I will show in a minute that it is not of 2019.
One 143.
143. It is a Sammati Patra.
Yes.
It is of Sunara Madhube.
Yes.
My lords will also find in the 5th line, Nav Nirman Association.
No.
But Nav Nirman Association in the 5th line.
Yes.
So according to them, there is an association, which is also in the work order given to the government engineer. Now, whereas I'll come to that in a minute. Lord. Now, the particular property is in the name of Kanti by Nagarbai. Madhuben is the daughter of Kanti by Nagarbai, which my lord will find it 145 the light bill.
Page.
145 is the light bill. The property is of Kanti by Nagarbai.
Yes. So what do you want to say?
I want to say now, my lords may kindly have a look at 149. Kanti by had passed away.
Yes.
My lords may kindly have a look at the date. 4th September 2020.
Yes.
So if this consent was taken in 2019, it would have been Kanti Bai who would have signed the consent,
Yes.
not Madhu.
Yes.
Therefore, it will be a case that it is signed after 4/9/2020 by the ex.
Yes.
Therefore, it is not 2019.
But father must have given authority to the daughter.
I'm sorry,
Father must have given authority to the daughter.
but nothing is there. They have collected all the documents. madam.
Vote is not to go into all these niceties. Whether
in
broad
absence-
procedure has been followed by the corporation or not.
But in absence,
Yes.
that is what I'm saying. In
Yes.
absence of, there is nothing to suggest.
The court
Contempt,
is
no
to determine
contemporary
each and
record.
every certificates and the authorization letter and the consent, and then it has to
Whereas
go
my-
before the
my case
before the
before-
city civil court for
my
the
case
purpose of
before a lordship-
determination of all these disputed
My
questions
case
of
before
fact.
a lordship's falls.
Yes.
There is no contemporaneous record before a lordships to show that this exercise was taken place in 2019. My lords may kindly appreciate the policy suggests that consent
Then
and
that
association.
Mr. Thakur, yeah, that contention will be limited to the petitioners, not the other persons who are not before this court.
No, they are trying to show from these
Yes.
documents that it is 2019 document. I can only
2019
answer to your
document has been
lordship.
executed by some of the person, that is 405, right? 405 unit holders.
My lord, They have
Yes.
also not
We don't
brought
say
any,
that it has been executed by the petitioner.
Madam, they have also not produced any of the affidavits of these persons that these documents were signed in 2019. When
Yes.
they are producing certain documents to show that they are from 2019, I can at least answer to your lordship that these are not of 2019.
Yes.
And Malaj, the policy suggests that 60 members association has to pass a resolution.
That,
They
Mr.
say there is a resolution, association of Navnirman association, then there has to be a resolution to that effect.
Yes.
Pursuant thereto, Malaj, the tender has to take place.
I
Now,
understand.
admittedly, this letter is of 9/12/2019. September 2019, tender has already taken place. In October, the bid has opened.
Yes.
Therefore, this exercise cannot be after the tender.
Yes.
And therefore, as my case that surreptitiously it is done, I am still standing by that case because they have not produced a single document of 2019.
How many units are there?
But the 448,
448 units.
These
How
are-
many of them they have been demolished?
but almost 5 blocks have been demolished.
5
Well,
I'm
blocks.
sorry,
10.
nine
There
blocks.
are 10 blocks
10
demolished
blocks have
out
been
of 70.
Nine,
More than
nine
Yes.
more than
So 10
60%
blocks have been
is demolished.
demolished only within a period of 2 months.
It is after the petition, was on. Before the petition, 2 blocks were
Is it
demolished.
possible
After
for
the
10
petition.
blocks being
Pre-verdict.
demolished within a period of 2 months?
I'm sorry.
Is it possible for 10 blocks being demolished within a period of 2 months?
But it has been done. I have,
Yes.
I've given your lordship the date. After, my lords would recall on 7th September, I had mentioned before
Yes.
your lordships.
That is, even if we like, if one is to go by your contention, that it has not been done in 2019, but it has been done during the COVID situation because
No,
everybody
it has
is
been
wearing
done
the
after
mask.
June 2021.
June 20.
My
Yes.
case in the petition is based that
Yes.
first letter issued by the builder
Yes.
was the information given to us that certain, this redevelopment project has started. My lords may kindly appreciate in the policy, we cannot be sidelined merely because the land belongs to the public agency.
If you don't want to participate, then what the remedy or the option is available to the person. It is not that they are doing for the private interest. It is in the public interest that the whole
My lords may
project
kindly
is
appreciate
being
it is
carried
being,
out.
it
Yes.
is actually being done on a gunpoint, as I
Yes.
should not make a statement right now.
Yes.
But there is another petition which is coming before the lordships. Same procedure is being, same things are being done. None of the informations are given because my lord, they are slum dwellers. Whereas on the gunpoint it has been done and I can make a
I
statement, I
think
can
now
show
we
it.
are going way too far in the petition. I'm sorry, Malaj, I'm
Yes.
interjecting in between,
Yes.
but we are going way too far now. This
Yes.
is stretching
Okay.
it beyond any
I'm making a
limits in
submission.
that case.
I'm
Yes.
making a submission.
Mr. Kansara, please let him complete. Yes.
But therefore, my case is that process is not followed and it, I'm just suggesting to lordships in this manner, that a public agency is doing a project at such a huge scale.
Yes.
you know.
Yes. Yes.
I fail to understand because why, since day one, none of the documents are being given to us. Why are we being kept in dark? We are the owners of the units, which is an admitted, which earlier the argument was made that we are not concerned with the units also. Thereafter, once I produced the resolution, which was by the corporation itself, then it was considered before the lordship that we are the owners. Till then, my lords were made to believe that we are not the owners. That was the first query raised by a
So
lordship.
even you did not produce anything on the record that you are the owner.
That's
of
because we
the
were not expecting that
Yes.
contest.
Yes. No, but if you are coming
But
before
since
this
84
court, then
is-
are you not supposed to place on record all
But
each and
since
every
if-
document
Malaj, if that would have been the
substantiating that you are
contest-
the owner of the property?
Well, if
Yes.
that would have been the contest, Milaj, I understand my not producing would
Not
be a,
necessary that it is only when there is a contest that you should produce on record the relevant documents.
but Milaj, that
Somebody is taking away your property, right?
is wrong.
Yes, then are you not supposed to say that it is your property and it cannot be taken out without any authority of law? And they have not followed any procedure or maybe
But
any
failing,
statutory.
failing that, Milaj, even fail, having their own resolution, Milaj, can they say that we are not the owners?
Yes, they are not the owners, but at least there is a responsibility attached to them and they are just redeveloping the whole property.
But redeveloping, I understand.
And I can
Nobody-
understand-
Nobody,
Yes.
nobody would have an
Yes.
objection to redevelop.
Yes, so
But
majority
Milaj,
of
there
them,
are-
they have not objected to this redevelopment policy.
I'm sorry,
Majority of them, they have not objected to this redevelopment policy.
but Milaj, can we not have that right to do that?
Yes, yes, you have all the right to object to the redevelopment, but
But-
remaining within the bounds of
I am
the
in the
available
boundary,
rights.
therefore,
Yes.
I restricted my case that from the policy.
Yes.
But if they are relying upon a policy, if they have started a project as per the policy, my lord, the policy has to be followed per se.
Yes.
There is no, I mean, they are now saying that there is an association in the Sammati Patra, now Nirman Association.
Yes.
Then by way of that, the policy suggests that there has to be a resolution by the association with regard to this very redevelopment project. There has to be consent according to that. There has to be tender afterwards.
Mr.
There has to be
Thakur, I think
tripartite
now the
agreement.
court has sufficiently heard you. It was only for the limited purpose of seeking certain clarification from Mr. Vic about this documents which they had produced on the record.
Please, Your Honor. My submission to that effect is it is not of 2019. I have tried to
Yes, you have
point out
already
to
stated.
you.
Yes.
I leave it.
Which was the document which you, according to you, was not as, was not of the 2009.
That's
That
143.
Madhuben Kantilal.
Madhuben Kanti.
Madhuben Kantilal.
143 is the Sammati Patra.
Yes.
The owner has died after 4/9/2020,
Yes.
which suggests that the Sammati Patra is after the 4/9/2020. Because if they are collecting the ownership documents, they have to take the sign of the person who is the owner.
They're not happy with the redevelopment.
I'm sorry.
They're not happy with the redevelopment.
Milos may take my word. If a single amicus curiae is appointed by this honorable court, they will come to know that none of the documents are in their hands. Everything is done at the gunpoint. Milos will find the witnesses to be same persons in all the consent letters.
They are the corporation.
But that is what is the worry.
Yes.
Therefore, Milos would recall the first day I had stated that both are heavy bodies, but I stick by that they are heavy bodies.
Again, I can take credit for it. Mr. Kansara is fit enough.
Very good. Let it on 25th. We'll pass the order 25th.
I'm immensely. We are grateful to your lordship for devoting so.
I'm grateful.
In the interregnum, I may just, if your lordship permits, there are debris I had indicated on the
Yes,
last occasion where Mr. Thakur was on sick note. There are
Yes, you
debris
wanted to
which are lying
remove-
on the site,
wanted
Maharaj,
to
that will
remove.
have to be removed, Maharaj, because
Yes.
that otherwise is, would cause some problems at the end of the day. At
Yes.
least those debris may be removed from
Yes.
the premises there, Maharaj.
Yes.
So they are residing there with the debris. Now they want to somehow get the machines
No, but
before any.
Mr. Thakur, I can
Well,
understand
5 days
your
would-
concern about the demolition.
But the demolition, but the debris
Yes.
are just next to my house.
No.
Then again, I'll have to rush before a
No,
lot short.
there-
While
Mr. Thakur, that would be perhaps stretching too far. Let
that is
let
the
not,
fact. That is the fact that debris, which the pillar which my lord found
yes.
on the
So it's
roof,
better that they remove that pillar.
Yes,
that pillar is
yes.
removed. That
Yes.
pillar is removed.
Yes.
So
So
the
let
debris are
everything
just
be
next to
removed.
that house.
Yes, you would like to stay in a clean
That's 4
environment,
days,
right?
Maharaj,
So
we
let
don't
there
have any
be a
objection
cleanliness,
staying there.
removing
So if
the
debris
debris.
can be permitted,
But
Maharaj.
just 4 days, Maharaj, may kindly not permitted. Debris are not going to, well, it is not going to be any
But
loss to them.
in fact, it will during the monsoon, it is not in
Advisable,
the
Maharaj.
interest of the
otherwise.
residents that the debris continue to be there.
Lordship,
But
there is
4
heavy-
days, 4 days, Maharaj.
There is heavy mosquito infestation
Yes.
because
Yes.
with the debris comes water
We are
logging.
the persons who are residing there.
No,
Maharaj.
My
the only
friend
thing is-
cannot be the.
That demolition part.
It-
How many total blocks are there?
Lordship,
6,
there were 17 blocks.
17 blocks. Out
When-
of 17
Out
blocks,
of
how many
17, 10 are demolished,
10
and
are
I am told
demolished.
that the 11th one was partly demolished
partly
when
demolished?
the matter came
Yes,
up.
and this the blocks wherein the petitioners are staying.
They are
They are,
they are 5 in number,
Five
five
in
and a half, 6 in number.
yes, they are
And
surrounded by any other
No,
blocks?
and that's the issue.
No.
Say for example, this is old Khokhra.
Yes.
My friend's clients stay in an area which can be earmarked. I had a photograph on record
Yes.
to show that. All this is demolished.
Yes,
So even if some debris is
one
removed
layer-
here,
yes,
nothing will happen in an.
Uninterpreted,
Yes.
unhindered movement can be there for removal of
And
debris.
the
So-
reason that slab did not fall on my friend's clients' towers is because per our instructions,
yeah.
there are barricades erected.
Breaking those
Yes.
barricades,
Good-
it has come.
good
here.
barricades.
From the
No,
photograph.
we could see that the barricade which
The
was there, it
barricade,
was back.
the barricade held back
Held
the
back,
thing from.
yes.
So
No, it did not
It did
help.
not
back,
help
no.
back.
It-
The
it-
pillar was
To
in
an
the house.
extent, it yes, but again, I
My
think the
prayer is we
barricade
are
was
doing
also
our-
affected. Yes.
So if debris is
Was
removed from
damaged.
here, nothing will happen to my learned friend's
Yes.
clients. And
Yes.
we can work in a spirit of committee. There is, if my friend really feels that the removal of debris from this location causes some trouble, I assure him that we will do what is required to be done
Yes.
to
My
ensure
clients
safety.
are present here. The
Yes.
debris are lying at 5 feet distance. The machines would come there, whereas the entire day,
Ah,
it is
so-
going to be a
But it is
nuisance.
not the demolition work which is to be undertaken
Ah.
by the.
My lords, may kindly appreciate
Let
it. All
there
the
be a-
debris will have to be picked up, my lord.
Yes, so it's good,
Yes.
Whereas 4
the
days would
resident-
not cause
yes.
any harm to
but
them, my
why
lord.
why would like to stay in the portion
But
where
it is-
all around there is
But
a
for
debris?
4 days, my lord,
Yes.
to take it, my lord,
Yes.
may we,
It has to go debris, you just.
Immensely
they can't
obliged,
be-
madam. Immensely
yes,
obliged.
You can't be
then,
stopped from taking
then I
out.
assure that I don't have to rush before a lordship again.
Yes,
the
you are
interview.
not, why you are just apprehending that they will be.
Because
rushing
it has
to-
happened earlier.
No, no, they are not just going to
Whereas
come and
it is-
break your,
I'm
demolish your.
again making a
buildings.
statement on the
Yes.
ground level, everything is happening, the police forces are coming and I can't say beyond something which is not on record,
Yes.
but things are not as per they're being projected before a lordship. But the
Yes.
groundwork is completely different. The all authorities are doing things in a high-handed manner. These
Yes.
people are unable to hold themselves.
Yes. It is not.
And
linked
therefore-
to the
therefore I had
authority
to
in
rush
such a-
before a lordship.
Mr. Thakur, your grievance we can understand. We can appreciate the grievance of the petitioners.
As
Everything.
if it would not have happened earlier, I would not have made this request. Otherwise,
Let-
I
let the
understand nobody would
debris,
like to stay
whatever
in the
the-
debris. But because it has happened earlier, therefore I'm making a request. 4 days is not going to make any difference.
The respondent is allowed to
Lordship,
clear the debris.
Extremely grateful, madam.
Yes.
Extremely grateful.
Yes.
Please.
Yes.
25th.
The 25th.
25th. Obliged, madam.
I'm grateful.
Yes. Yes.